So happy you're with us on Mile High Living. I'm Tanya Rush in for Gina Bellich. Now here's something pretty amazing. There's one product you can buy that will clean everything dirty in your home and office. I've tried it. I know it's true. This detergent and cleaner can tackle anything, and because it replaces all other cleaning products, guess what? Saves you money. Monica Ortega shows us how Powerizer Complete is changing the way in the entire cleaning industry, which it really is. So I love when you're here because this is really awesome. So I keep hearing, I've worked with you a lot of times, and I know this is true, but Powerizer will clean everything. What does that mean?
Well, obviously dishes are ceramic,
right,
and so are tile. So you have a glass, a wine glass, shower doors or windows, those are windows, they're glass.
Right.
So you've got cement and you've got cast iron pans. Should be able to use everything to clean that. I got a nylon jacket. We've got a nylon backpack. We've got nylon tennis shoes.
Sneakers.
Should be able to clean all of that safely with one product.
And that we know is the Powerizer Complete. So while at the grocery store, we're in this habit. We just pile stuff in. I mean, how do we know what to buy?
Well, Tanya, you're going to want to buy an all-purpose cleaner, but shouldn't an all-purpose cleaner clean your bathroom?
Okay.
We've got a surface glass cleaner, a granite cleaner.
Oh, I'm getting tired.
A wood cleaner, and a daily shower cleaner. We all have those.
But
then we have specialty cleaners. A steel cleaner.
I thought I was done, girl.
A hard floor cleaner. An upholstery cleaner and carpet. And then you got a toilet bowl cleaner.
Look at that. And I think of the money as well. So there are other all-purpose cleaners. How is Powerizer different than this?
So that all-purpose cleaner is not going to be able to cover your dishes. It's not going to do your laundry.
Oh yeah, because people think you can just buy this.
Right, it's not going to do that. So an all-purpose cleaner should be able to safely clean everything, all surfaces, all of these surfaces.
So I need to just, we'll get rid of that for a second. So how do we break the habit of buying a new cleaner for each area of our home?
So when that happens, just let it run out and don't go buy it. Just
I like that.
So save yourself the time and money. Just use Powerizer to replace it.
And then this is, so Powerizer can really clean everything. There has to be 15 different cleaners, I mean a lot of different cleaners in our cart. If you have Powerizer, what products then don't you never have to use again?
Okay, well it's going to eliminate 7 different cleaning products just for laundry. So we have pods, a color booster or a scent booster. We've got bleach, stain removers, fabric softeners, a machine cleaner, and dryer sheets. You don't need it, those are additives.
Look at all this.
For dishes, you have a dish detergent that we normally buy, a dish soap, a rinse aid, and a machine cleaner. You don't need them because Powerizer will replace all of those.
Yeah, you make it so easy. So how is Powerizer actually changing, and you call it disrupting, the cleaning industry? What do you mean by that?
Who wants to walk down 2 aisles to buy products? You don't. So our customers are telling the story. They're saying this is really effective, it's doing the job, and it's safe. So all of the other cleaners they don't need. They don't need the additives, so it's costly, it's wasteful, and it's redundant.
No, you bring up a good point. But I know from working with you too, Powerizer Complete is also safe for the environment.
Yes.
And kind of explain that a little bit. And the smell doesn't bother me, so that's another important aspect of this.
The fragrance is meant to rinse clean. It's just, it's really just to rinse clean so that there's no leftover oils or anything like that to cause any skin allergies. So it's safe for the environment. It's EPA bio-preferred. It's definitely has no fillers, no dyes. It has a color-safe bleach. So it's going to work doing everything you need to and safely.
And that's an important thing because a lot of these other products, they have all those chemicals in it, which we forget about when we're cleaning, so Powerizer Complete is the way to go. So get rid of this cart, girl. I'm taking this home. We're all set. You're awesome. Thank you for the information.
That's the only thing you need.
This is all we need. All right, so here's what you need to do. You got to get it on this special. So one bag really does clean everything. Floor, window, dish, mirror, appliances, wall, rug, clothing items, and much more. Replace all the cleaners crowding your shelves. Get that one cleaner that does it all. You got to do it. Order today. Receive 15% off your first purchase and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Visit PowerizerClean.com and use this promo code MILEHIGH. It's Mile High. Or order on Amazon.com. Powerizer paid for today's segment. Keep it here.